Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lila Web Dev. In the last video, we have finished building our Android application and it is finally ready to publish. But before we update it to the Google Play Store or something like that, there is something very important we need to understand. So there is nothing but the APK release version. So this is the key step because your app will be published in the Google Play based on the release version information. So let's try to see about this one. So now let's present this one so we can have So before publishing your Android app to Google Play Store, so we need to understand about the APK release versions. So that's why, so that your app successfully depends on properly managing the version information. So when we talk about the APK release version or something like that, so we need to, there are two important parameters you need to know. So there is nothing but first one is the version code and another one is the version name. So let us understand with each of these names. So here version code means it is a positive integer value used by the Google Play as a reference for the app updates. Whereas the version name is a string value displayed to the users showing which version they are installing. So let's try to understand one by one. So first understand about this version code. What is this version code? So let's talk about this version code first. So normally I told you, right, this is a positive integer value. It will always starts from 1 and increases every time you update your app. So this number is very much important because Google Play uses this one as a reference. For example, let's say that when you have published your app for the first time, the version code might be, you might set the version code to be 1, right? The next time whenever you are updating your app, so you must increase this number. So say, let's say the second release, you must increase it to version code is equal to 2, third release 3, something like that. If you try to upload a new version with the same name, with the same version number or smaller version code, Google Play will reject your update. So remember, the version code is for Google Play and it must increase with every update. So that is what about the version code which I want to explain to you. So next one is the version name. So what is this version name? Let's look at this version name. So normally this version name is a string value. It is what the users actually see. So in your first release, you might set it as 1.0 and then your next update, you might you might change it to 1.3 or 2.0 or something like that. So this helps users so that they can know which version of your app they are installing or updating. So when the users see version 2.0 on the Play Store, they will know it's a newer version and can decide whether to update it or not. In a short version, what I can say is version name is for the users. Version name is visible string that helps the user identify the updates, and version code is the internal reference number that must be increased and it is used by the Google Play Store. So that is what I want to tell you. So what happens if you forget or if you don't change them? So if you forget to change the version name, that is fine. So it won't cause any issue. So no problem. So when you forget the version name, so this won't cause any issues with the Google Play. It is optional and mainly for user display. But if you forget to increase the version code, so what will happen? So Google Play will reject your, it will not accept your new APK. So you must increase this. So always make sure to increase the version code before releasing your update. So that's the thing. So let's see how we can change these values in the Android Studio. So let's go to our Android Studio, and here if you go into this one, so here you'll be able to see the Gradle scripts, and in this one, so now you need to open the module app. Okay, so here you'll be able to see the Build.gradle module app. So here you'll be able to see the version code and also the version name. And here, so let's say that here you'll be able to see the version code and also the version name. So here you'll be able to see the version code and version name. So here it is 1 and 1.0. So here the version code is an integer value, currently 1, and version name is written in quotation marks, that is nothing but currently 1.0. If you want to change them, is just edit these numbers. For example, version code 2, and you need to edit them as 1.3. After you make changes, you will be able to see a sync now button appearing at the top right corner of the Android Studio. Click it and automatically Android Studio will apply your changes. That's it. Your version values has been updated. So that is what I want to explain you. It's a simple steps what you can understand it. So if you don't, so let's quickly summarize what we have learned in this video. So the version code is a number for Google Play it must be increased every time you release a new update. The version name is text for the users. It tells the users which version they are installing, like 1.0, 1.2 or 2.0. If you don't increase the version code, Google Play will not accept your update, but changing the version name is optional. It is mainly for the user display. So that is how you manage your APK release in the Android Studio. It is simple but very important part of publishing your app in the Google Play actually. In the next video, we will move on to the next step of publishing process. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the future updates. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.